Your mind is a computer, and your thoughts are the code. If you don't like the results in your life, it's time to rewrite the program. Every day, your brain listens to what you tell it, and it believes you. When you say, "I'm not good enough," your brain starts proving you right. But when you say, "I can learn this," your brain starts finding solutions. What you feed your mind becomes your reality. Positive thoughts don't just make you feel better, they make you think better. So start reprogramming your mind with powerful beliefs. Say, "I am capable." Say, "I am disciplined." Say, "I am becoming who I'm meant to be." Every thought you repeat becomes a command to your future. So choose your thoughts wisely. Subscribe to The More You Know, where daily motivation meets powerful education.